Hey everyone! In this review, we explore the top 7 best electric car jacks on Amazon for quick, safe, and effortless vehicle lifting. These durable tools are ideal for tire changes, roadside emergencies, and home repairs, offering powerful performance and user-friendly operation. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or truck, the right jack can save time and reduce stress. All product links are available in the video description. So, let's get started. Number 7 is Gurduenon Scissor Car Jack is a portable emergency tool designed for changing tires and performing minor repairs on cars and SUVs. With a maximum lifting capacity of 2 tons or 4,409 pounds, this jack offers a lifting range from 4.33 to 15.75 inches. This makes it suitable for both low-clearance sedans and higher-body SUVs. The complete kit includes a scissor jack, ratchet wrench, dual-size lug wrench, gloves, pencil tire pressure gauge, and a convenient storage bag. Made from strong, corrosion-resistant materials, the jack provides reliable stability and durability in different weather conditions. Its simple operating system, comfortable wrench grip, and excellent leverage help users lift vehicles and replace tires quickly with less effort. Compact, practical, and universally compatible, the Gurduenon Scissor Car Jack is a valuable addition to any trunk or garage. It provides the tools and confidence needed to handle unexpected flat tires safely and efficiently. The next is Number 6. AUTOWN 3-ton floor jack is a heavy-duty lifting tool designed for pickups, SUVs, crossovers, vans, and demanding garage work. Built from durable alloy steel, it safely lifts up to 6,600 pounds and offers a high clearance range of 7.1 to 20.9 inches. Its rapid hydraulic system raises vehicles with fewer pumps, while the rubber-padded saddle provides a secure, anti-slip grip. The precision release valve ensures smooth lowering, and rolling casters make positioning easy. With a detachable handle and flat storage design, this jack is a practical, reliable choice for safer and faster vehicle maintenance. The next is Number 5. E-HEELP Electric Car Jack. This car jack is designed for roadside emergencies, home garages, repair shops, and heavy vehicle lifting. Powered by a strong hydraulic system, this jack can lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, or 11,023 pounds, in less than 2 minutes. It is suitable for sedans, SUVs, MPVs, pickup trucks, motorcycles, and other heavy items when used on level ground. The jack can be powered through a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket or directly from the vehicle battery. Its built-in tire inflator includes a pressure display, allowing users to monitor tire pressure while pumping. Waterproof power connectors and 2 LED lights make operation easier during rain or nighttime emergencies. With powerful lifting, quick inflation, and portable convenience, the E-HEELP electric car jack is a dependable choice for drivers who want safer and easier roadside repairs. The next is Number 4. AV Steel Floor Jack for Cars and Sedans. This floor jack is designed for lifting passenger cars, sedans, coupes, hatchbacks, and other low-clearance vehicles. This hydraulic floor jack supports up to 2.5 tons or 5,000 pounds and offers a lifting range from 3.4 to 14.6 inches. Its low-profile entry allows it to slide beneath sports cars and lowered sedans where standard jacks may not fit. However, it is not suitable for trucks, SUVs, or lifted vehicles. The strong steel construction provides durability for regular garage use. A single-piston quick-lift pump raises the vehicle efficiently with fewer handle strokes. 2 rotating rear wheels make repositioning easier, while the large 360-degree rotating saddle improves stability and reduces the chance of slipping. For added protection, the built-in safety valve helps prevent overloading and protects both the user and the vehicle. Buyers should confirm that their vehicle requires no more than 14.6 inches of lifting height. For car owners who need a strong, low-profile, and easy-to-use jack, the AV Steel Floor Jack offers reliable lifting performance at home or in the garage. The next is Number 3. STANDTALL 5-ton Electric Car Jack. This car jack is a portable emergency lifting kit designed for roadside tire changes and home vehicle repairs. Powered by dual motors, this 12V electric jack can lift vehicles weighing up to 10,000 pounds. It offers a lifting range of 5.9 to 17.7 inches and can reach the required height in approximately 1 minute. Its non-slip cross-groove lifting head and adjustable height help provide stable vehicle support. The built-in air pump quickly inflates tires and displays real-time tire pressure for greater accuracy. A powerful 350 Nm electric impact wrench with dual sockets makes removing and tightening lug nuts faster and easier. For improved safety, the jack features a self-locking structure, automatic height limit stopping, and a durable painted steel body that resists rust. The complete kit includes a safety hammer, power cables, clamps, gloves, air nozzles, accessories, and a portable storage case. For drivers who want faster tire changes and dependable roadside assistance, the STANDTALL electric jack kit is a practical and valuable purchase. The next is Number 2. The DNA Motoring low-profile hydraulic floor jack is designed for lifting most cars during garage maintenance, tire changes, and repair work. This hydraulic trolley jack offers a 2 tons or 4,000 pound lifting capacity. Its lifting range extends from 5.1 inches to 13 inches, making it suitable for many standard passenger vehicles. However, it is not recommended for pickup trucks, large SUVs, or vehicles exceeding the rated capacity. The heavy-duty steel construction provides strength, rigidity, and dependable performance. Swivel casters allow smooth movement and easy positioning beneath the vehicle. A wide saddle improves stability while helping protect the vehicle's lifting point. For added safety, the built-in overload protection valve activates when excessive weight is detected, reducing the risk of damage or injury. The jack is intended only for vertical lifting and must not be used to support a vehicle for extended periods. Always place approved jack stands beneath the vehicle after lifting. With tested materials, practical mobility, and reliable lifting power, the DNA Motoring floor jack is a useful choice for home garages and routine automotive maintenance. The next is Number 1. The Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile floor jack is designed for lifting sport utility vehicles and low-clearance vehicles safely and efficiently. This racing-style floor jack combines an aluminum body with a welded steel frame, providing excellent strength, durability, and stability. Its low-profile design features a minimum lifting height of March 15, 2016 inches, allowing it to slide easily beneath vehicles with limited ground clearance. It can lift vehicles up to a maximum height of 18.5/16 inches. The dual-piston quick-lift pump helps raise the vehicle faster with fewer handle strokes. A large rubber saddle supports the lifting point while helping protect the vehicle from scratches or damage. Steel casters and swivel front wheels make the jack easy to move around the garage, while the sturdy carrying handle improves portability. Weighing 58.5 pounds, this red floor jack meets ANSI/ASM EPA safety standards and includes a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. For SUV owners, mechanics, and home garage users who need reliable lifting power, this Jack Boss floor jack offers an excellent combination of safety, speed, durability, and convenience.